Next we have this question number 28. Which statement about the following equilibrium is true? So you have been given this tertiary butoxide plus water. These react with each other to form this tertiary butanol and potassium hydroxide. pK of this water is given, that is 15.7, and pK of this tertiary butanol is 18. So since water is having this less pKa, which means it will be more acidic, it will easily lose its proton, like water has H plus and OH negative. This water, like it is having this H plus and OH negative, so it will easily lose this H plus because it has less pKa value. Fine. So if it has less pK value, then it will lose the proton and it will give this proton to this tertiary butoxide. So tertiary butoxide is behaving like an base here, which will accept the proton from this H plus. So after the acceptance of the H plus from this water by this tertiary butoxide, what we will get here? We will get this tertiary butanol like this. If this is reacting, this O negative. So if I'm writing this reaction, which is given in a question, so like this tertiary butoxide, it is reacting with the water. So let us write water in this form, H and OH negative. So what will happen here? This H plus will be accepted by this, you can say, this tertiary butoxide here. So after the acceptance, what will happen? There is formation of this tertiary butanol plus left is what? K plus and OH negative, potassium hydroxide. So in this way, what according to the pK values, like this reaction, water is having less pK, which is 15.7, and tertiary butanol is having 18. So since we can say that water which reacts with this, water is behaving like an acid and it's behaving like a base, this tertiary butoxide. So basically acid base reaction is happening in this case. And since this tertiary butanol has higher pK value, which means it will be less acidic, so this means that the reaction will be or we can say that the equilibrium that is attained in this reaction, it will get shift to the product side. So this equilibrium is favoring these products, that is tertiary butanol and potassium hydroxide. So option A is correct. Now let us consider option number 2, that is tertiary butoxide is the dominant anionic species in the equilibrium. Since in the equilibrium we know that these products are dominating here, so this anionic species, that is this tertiary butoxide, it is not dominating in the equilibrium. So B option is incorrect. Let us consider this option number C, that is water is the weaker acid. So how we'll compare that? Like we are given these pK values for water also and tertiary butanol. Since water has lesser pK value, which means it will have higher Ka value and it is a strong acid. So this option is also incorrect. Let us see option number D. Tertiary butoxide is stabilized by resonance. Like tertiary butoxide structure is given here, like we are having this structure. So it is not stabilized by resonance, since this carbon is attached to 3 methyl groups here and this O negative. So there is not any kind of resonance like you observe the resonance in phenoxide or carboxylate ion. So that kind of resonance is not seen in this compound. So we have only one option that is correct, is option number A. The equilibrium favors the products. Is it clear?